Hi, Cliff Balchers here, Santa Barbara Arts TV, and we have the Somndeep sleep system right here. It optimizes your sleep, and we just tried it out for the weekend, and it's incredible. It monitors your heart rate, your breathing, and your whole night sleeping. So what it did was it monitored my whole night sleeping passively, so it saw when I was sleeping and I was deeply sleeping and my REM sleep, and it can see my breathing and it can see my heartbeat all from the wall, the side of the wall. So I highly recommend this system, Somdeep. And so it attaches to the wall with a little sticker and a magnet, and it has rain, it has white noise, it has the waves, it has a little light system. And then I'm going to show you very shortly how to basically set it up. But this is the short video here where I've already tested it all weekend, and then I put it on the wall. It's very easy to set up, and then you just go to sleep, and then you monitor it with an app on the phone. And then I took recordings of it, of my breathing, my heartbeat, and my sleeping patterns. And then I tested it all weekend. It's incredible. And so I highly recommend it. And I'm just going to test it out for the month. And then in a month, I'll see what it is. But then it has AI that tells you that you're breathing it a little less, you're rolling around in your sleep, and that you could get a little more sleep at night. And then it tells at 2 in the morning and at 5 in the morning, I get the deepest sleep. So I love this. I love this device. You have it on the wall. You can play the rain. You could play the ocean. You can do all sorts of stuff with this. And then I could even like hook it up to a robot arm or do all sorts of stuff. So it's just an amazing device to learn about your sleep patterns. And we're going to use it for a month. But in this video, I'm showing you how I set it up and how I put it on the wall and everything. So watch the whole video all the way through. But thanks Somndeep for providing us this device for our media review, and watch it all the way through so you can see how to hook it all up. Thanks a lot. And so it has a radar non-contact sensing technology. It combines precision monitoring with maximum contact. There's no camera, so you don't need to worry about recording or anything. And it ensures complete user privacy. And then it's simple to set up and easy to operate. So we're just going to open this up right now here. And here it is. Ooh, it's beautiful. So you get all the instructions, and here it is right here. This is the device that affixes to the wall, and then you get a longer cord and some pads, some extra pads. What it does is it gives you multi-dimensional health reports via the app. You just download it, Android, iPhone. It tracks your trends anytime. The data is secure and private, and it's fully controlled by the user. It also has sleep sounds, so it has little rain sounds, white noise sounds, so you can have little sounds by your bed. And it has little ambient lighting, so you can have little light, you can have little sounds. We're going to set this up by my bed, so when I sleep at night for the next 30 days, I can basically record all of these vital statistics and see all about my sleep. And then I can report back to you. And so I'm going to set it up and show you all this. And then we'll report back to you in 30 days. And we were provided this unit, so thank you, Somdeep. You can check out Somdeep in the link below, and it looks really great. And we checked out the app, and we're going to give it a try and see how it works. So you just plug in here the extension on the USB-C, and then you would plug in the USB-A to a reliable source so you can have it plugged in all night. And then what it does is it does many different things. And then you have a basically a magnet, and then it's going to connect to the wall right next to you, to your bed. And it's a non-invasive radar, and then it has sensors, so it tracks all different body sensors for all your vital signs in your body. It's just amazing. Here we put one pad to the magnet here for this side, and this is going to go onto the wall. So we have magnets here, magnet and a pad, and then this other is going to stick to my wall. And now we have this magnet, and it's very strong. So we're going to, tonight when we go to sleep, we're going to track my sleep when I move on the bed, if I move to side, when I get up at night, my heartbeat, everything. It's unbelievable. Here's the Somndeep. I attach it to the wall. It can move around the wall. It has rain. It has white noise. It has the sound of waves. And it even has a touch screen. And it also has an ambient light. So you put it by your bed, and then it's going to see your heartbeat. It's going to see when you move around. It has all sorts of great stuff. And you put it right by your bed, and it attaches, and then you can swivel around, and then you can take it off and on with a magnet. It's really incredible. Somdeep. See? And then it's great right there on the wall. This is just an amazing sleep monitoring device. It monitors your heartbeat, your breathing. It also will monitor your sleep cycle, if you're turning over side to side, when you get up at night, gives you an AI report, and also your sleeping, your deep sleep, your REM sleep, and over the day, the week, and the month. Thank you, Somndeep, for this device, the Smart Sleep Optimization System. And I highly recommend it, and try it out for a month, and you'll learn all about your sleep patterns, your breathing, your heartbeat at night. So thanks for watching Santa Barbara Arts TV. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and leave a nice comment. And thanks for watching.